Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get a spot in Invisions Web Verse. To begin, you will need to navigate to the main menu and select your suit. Choose Miles Morales for his special web dash ability, which is crucial for the upcoming steps. This initial choice sets you up for success in acquiring the elusive spot character. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once you have selected Miles Morales, your next objective is to travel to the Brooklyn area. This is where you will find the Super Collider, a pivotal location for unlocking Spot. Look for it behind the balloons near Miles's apartment. Navigating to this specific point is the second key step in our journey. The journey might seem long, but with Miles's abilities, it becomes much more manageable. Now, for the secret method. With Miles Morales, use his web dash to navigate a series of small platforms leading towards the Super Collider. This part requires careful movement and precise web zipping. Crucially, you will need one friend who has already unlocked the Spot character. Your friend will play a vital role in teleporting you past the glitched entrance, saving you significant time and effort. Once your friend teleports you inside the Super Collider, immediately change your character's suit to Prowler. This is a critical step within the glitch. After successfully acquiring Spot, it is highly recommended to reset your character. This action helps prevent any lingering bugs or issues. Congratulations, you now have the Spot character. Enjoy exploring the webverse with your new abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.